Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make money writing reviews using ChatGPT. Okay, how can you use ChatGPT to generate money online? You might use ChatGPT to generate scripts or directions for visual components of the videos as well as scripts for voiceover, sound professional, and others. And also, as we all know, that AI written ebooks have a significant boom on any platform, social media platforms, not only in Google web browser, but also in Microsoft Edge or wherever it is. ChatGPT making it more simpler to write and conceptualize new concepts. Using the Kindle Direct publishing platform, authors are using ChatGPT to create ebooks on a variety of timely and specialized subjects that are then sold directly on Amazon. Recently, they also made a decision to investigate ChatGPT's essay writing skills, and it's not a question, okay? So, in order for you to really earn money or start writing reviews using ChatGPT, you have to be familiarized with ChatGPT also and also with the prompts. So to start, all you have to do is to go to your Google web browser and search for onlinebookclub.org. You have to sign up for free. You have to give or enter your email address and follow this one and then click submit. Okay. So you have to do the step two, which is to set your preferences. Okay, so in order to set your preferences, you have to answer this one. Okay, so you have to pick the first one here. Yes, I have written or published a book. They will allow you to write reviews and read books. Okay, so click this confirm again. And then once you're done with this, you have to click this. Go to Era Exchange now. Click this one. So once you reach this site, you have to purchase or you have to select a book to read in order for you to create or write a review. Let's just say select this book, and then after you select that, you need to read the book. Of course, you need to read the books. And then once you read the book, you have to click this write a review. Okay, you can see the option there after you click this confirm. Apart from this, you must also confirm that you purchased the book. So you have to click this I purchased this book. So once you're done with this, you can start writing a review to this book. So when you're writing a review, then you can ask ChatGPT for a help. So maybe you can get some information, more brilliant ideas, and can help you really express your or convey what's on your mind. So that's the role of ChatGPT. After that, you just have to, or you can now submit your review. So you just have to wait for this site's decision. And after that, if they are convinced that you can write a review for a certain or specific book, then that's a time you can earn money or they will allow you to write or they will allow you to make money writing reviews. But of course, with the help of ChatGPT. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.